Okay, good morning, guys, and it's so bright. I don't know how it's gonna go when I edit this, but yeah, that should be bright. Okay, yeah, sorry about the noise. It's really noisy. I'm just trying to cook breakfast right now. Breakfast is around 12, so that's brunch, I reckon. So it's around the 5th of November right now, and yeah, I'm so excited for today because I'm gonna try to pick up, if not today, tomorrow, I'm gonna pick up the atem Mini Pro. We're gonna use that for live streaming for our team, and yeah, because weddings these days and events it's needed. Yeah, I lost my line of thought, but yeah, we need some things for live streaming because the thing is, yeah, it's tough to travel today. Most of the people can't travel anywhere, so it's a good thing. I was trying to order Vaxis video transmitters. That way we can just set up two cameras and then transmit them. But while I'm ordering it at Dragon Image, the thing is they don't have. That thing is really annoying me. I'm gonna turn that off first. Okay, guys, that's the sunset. It's around 7 p.m. and yeah, I love that light. Love that it's 29 degrees today, and yeah, it's pretty good weather for heading out, going to the beach or anything. But I'm just staying at home because I was lazy this morning, and I went out later in the afternoon and got myself some gear. So I'm happy because I got some gear. I just choked on my saliva. Yeah, so yeah, I just want to show you the sun. That's the sunset. That's wonderful lighting. Yeah. So, look at that. Is this cinematic? Is this good content? Yeah. So yeah, that's the sunset light, and that's the sunset in my face. That's so nice. Tomorrow's gonna be stormy. That's gonna be like storm asthma. I don't know, thunderstorm asthma or something. So it's gonna be bad for those who are allergic or asthmatic. Because the thing is, yeah, it's gonna be a lot of pollen, a lot of everything, and yeah, hay fever's gonna be around. So yeah, that's gonna be bad. But either way, I'm still loving the sunset. I'm planning to walk outside and do a bit of hike, but I'm a bit lazy. I might go skateboarding. Yeah, let's go skateboarding. So back to what I was talking about. Yeah, it's a lovely day today, and you can definitely see the sun's in my face, and I'm wearing. Yeah, it's warm today. Anyway, yeah, I'm thinking of finishing my project, which is that streaming thing for the group, and as soon as I finish that, we're gonna market that full on. So yeah, should be alright. Anyway, it's too dark for that one. Make it a bit brighter. Look at this. This is a 28mm, and I'm hoping to vlog on this one always. Sorry about that. I've been very lazy using the lens and then vlogging. So yeah, so you see my lighting goes darker, brighter. I've been very lazy, But yeah, check out that light. That light in my face. That's really good. Okay, just for today, no good vlogs. Still the same thing. But look at that 28 f2 1/50 with a filter on. So the filter, I can just move it, and that's blown out. That's awesome. I should put zebras. Hold on. You won't see it. I will be the one. Yeah. So 75% zebras. Oh, that's a lot of zebras. So. Okay. That should be fun. I'm just testing this out. Okay, I just want to go out, but I don't want to carry this around while I'm skateboarding. Should I just bring the GoPro or the Osmo? Not the GoPro. I don't have a GoPro. I'm crazy talking to myself in this camera here outside, and if people are listening to me around, they think I'm crazy. But yeah, sometimes I am. Okay, go back inside. Okay, got myself a chair, and yeah, swivel chair. I can just turn around, and you can see everything all around me. Oh, yeah. So let's. I'm not used to vlogging anymore. I feel this thing's heavy. But yeah, so what are our plans for the next few days? I'll try to finish assembling our streaming rig, and after that I'll try to test it out, of course, and then we're gonna have market it heavily. That's gonna be awesome. I'm gonna try streaming also in here in my studio, which is our garage. So we'll see how that goes. And if you guys have anyone who needs streaming services, we're on our way. Yeah, I just got a lot of things done. I have some things 3D printed, and yeah, it's a good project. I'm so excited. I shouldn't be talking about this because it's not yet launched, but yeah, pretty excited. Okay, I think that's it. So also, yeah, this morning I was trying to vlog it. Yeah, started this vlog with something I did this morning, and then I was cooking, and then I was so hungry I ate chorizo, and it was good, so I forgot to vlog. And then I brought this camera. I went to Burwood to get some stuff, to buy some gears, and then I forgot to vlog, and it happened again. And now I just got home. I have no footage at all. Went to Box Hill, went to a lot of places. Yeah, gotta get that motivation back, because I think my head's lagging and my vlog's not that interesting at the moment. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. Okay, but I end the vlog here because it's kind of boring. I think it's nothing in the vlog. I don't know what to title this vlog. Just me bought something. Oh yeah, let's title it this way: clickbait. Okay, we're gonna title this vlog, I bought some gear. That's it. That's gonna be the thumbnail. Okay, so I just got the atem Mini Pro for my new gear, and yeah, try to unbox it now. I don't want to wreck the box, so I'm just doing it carefully right now. There you go. So I was told that there's no power supply in there. So, yep. Let's check it out. Oh. That's too bright, mate. Let's just try to darken it. Okay, so here it is. Black Magic design. Software installer. Ooh. Some stuff's here. So let's see. Oh, it has power supply. It has a power supply with the flock bag. Good. The guy said it doesn't have any power supply, but it has. Even has a Australian plug. Check that out. So yeah, everything's good. My focusing is going haywire. Let's just fix the camera up here. So yeah, has all the plugs here. Good thing I didn't have to buy anything at the moment. Okay. So here it is. Oh, not bad. Not bad. I can test this anytime soon. Oh, not bad. Let's mark this out. Okay, I'm on my easy chair right now, and I'm so lazy to set up the lighting and everything else, so I just settled for this. Hope it's fine with you guys. But yeah, just unboxed this thing, and yeah, the guy on the store where I got it from told me that there's nothing there. You're gonna need a power supply and everything else with this. So I was like, it doesn't have a power supply. I'm sad. But yeah, here's the atem. I was looking into the ISO one, atem Mini Pro ISO, but I think it's a bit expensive and we don't need it that much. So we just ended up with this, and it has a power supply. So yeah, that's nice. That's good. Has to be around 12 volts to power this thing. So yeah, I need to modify a power supply that would work with this thing. I want to test it out in a few, but I'm just too lazy and I'm just gonna watch videos. And yeah, so let's start streaming. That's it for now. And I guess I'm gonna end the vlog here. This is my easy chair. This is where I just chill. Anyway, I'm just gonna end the vlog here. I was supposed to end it earlier, but I found this. So yeah, it's nice that it has a power brick, but I need to modify a power supply for it, for the system that I'm gonna make. Let's do this. I'm gonna try to stream also one of these days, but not now.